Okay, so now that it lets us back with the screws after 5,000 hours, these little screws right here, we're going to use them for the armature plate. They should work. Yeah, this will work just fine. You want to put in 3 holes?
That's all we're counting.
What about the other 3 holes? Should have got a lock washer, huh? I'll this up. No locking.
Are you going to spray paint the whole thing for him?
No, it doesn't $100. I mean, expensive. Because the hot is stuck to the plate.
Oh, you broke it. Yeah, you got it. Huh?
I'm gonna break down this one, guys. Oh no, yeah. Actually, I don't know that. Yeah, I don't know.
So right here, it needs to be flat. It doesn't matter if it's longer or not, but it just needs to be flat.
And they're at Home Depot.
Yeah.
Like we're gonna have to pull. Yeah, like the my video is gonna be.
Okay, let's see, prepare this one. That's the big one.
That one will work.
Let's do this one.
You want me to hit it in?
Where's your purpose for that?
Oh, what? This? What are you talking about? Well, I want to hit it real hard, but it's gonna fall. So I need just a little something right here to support it. Where's your thing at?
Right there. Beautiful. More heavy duty. 960.
Oh yeah.
Customer like it longer? I'll make it longer.
Hey, we're like it. Looks like brand new. You said it was spray painting. Put it on the shelf.
Yeah.
So you saw that little trick, huh? You put the stud on, you put the nut on the stud, and you
Yeah.
hammer it out. You trim it to the trade.
You don't any mess with the driver, you know, anyway, because you do it like that straight down to the wood. You got a spray paint for this one?
Oh, paint crossword.
Oh shoot.
I don't know if I can match that color. Like that. So tell people what the armature plate is. It's actually this really convenient thing where you don't have to replace your whole hub. You can just replace this plate right here. You don't really see these at all anymore. Rockwell American used to have them for their 10K axles, which is really nice because you could buy this armature plate for, you know, 20 bucks versus buying a whole new hub and drum that cost 300. But not many people make them with this anymore. It'd be cool if they still did.
What can you do?
Looks like you don't use all this stuff. What's wrong with them? Maybe she went to her hometown to get them.
It's good enough for today. What do you think? Something easy, huh? Well, do you have a screw?
Heck no. I mean, that's an armature plate screw. Looks like the ones that come out of the 10K Rockwell ones. Looks like the same ones. But, no, I don't have any. Why are they all breaking off?
Well, the problem is because it's all rusted in here. And, I mean, it's already loose, but it's not coming off because it got a bunch of crap right there. So, because if you have it, I just got it off. Put it right.
I don't have one.
Actually, this one is different one. This one is like a rivet or something. Look, this one. Okay, look. This one looks like a rivet.
That one does look like a rivet.
Don't got nothing inside.
I know, that's why whenever I was looking at them yesterday, when I brought them, I was like, I don't even know how we're going to do that.
Just popping off.
But
there's a screw.
yeah, but he wants us to, yeah, we can pop them off and destroy them, but we don't have anything to replace
It's like a
them.
welder right here in the corner. See?
I mean, yeah. I mean, it's not going to rub on the,
This,
it's not going to
magnet.
rub on the magnet. You just tack it down here, I guess. They'll just have to bring them back next time if he ever needs them replaced.
So are we going to try to save in those old, but I mean, it's already breaking loose, but you know, coming out because it's all completely rusted right here. So,
And the customer just brought this in when the stud's replaced, huh?
yeah, bet you it's going to be cheaper to buy it.
Well,
Change
the
the
problem
axle.
is that's like an ag, or I don't even know what size hub that is, but I seriously doubt it matches the bearings that go in the standard hubs that we have. Because if it did, it'd be much easier just to throw those away and buy new ones.
Exactly. Which is a regular hub with the brakes on it.
Why is it broken there? Is that normal?
Looks like somebody tried to pry it off.
Yeah, looks like. I figured it out right now. I need to clean up a little bit. Those, I want the big steak.